Hey, so I wanted to show you all real quick what my hair looked like. I was using the Briogeo deep conditioner, and some of y'all was like, girl, that's the stuff. So I know, I'm gonna show you real quick. This is it. This came in from the Detox Market. I'll link it and you can swipe up and you can go and check it out. I know, and I'm making this, and I'm gonna put an IG post about it for the younger me, or not even the younger me, but the me version of me that was afraid to spend money on products, hair products. This is like $30 something, but y'all, I only needed like this much for my hair to, like, it literally, look at this, it's like, and my hair is thicker, y'all, like thick, y'all, and very, very dry. So welcome to suburb life, where like every Sunday is the day when everyone in the neighborhood starts to mow their lawn. But anyway, you can hear it in the back. Anyway, this deep conditioner, I just needed a teeny bit, and my hair already is like saturated. See up there? Saturated. And just, it's been about 10 minutes or so of me letting it sit, and I'm already impressed, because a lot of times some of the other cheaper ones that I would go to and I was advocating for a long time, they would have like this film that would just kind of sit on top of my hair, and sometimes, especially before, my hair didn't love glycerin, but sometimes it can tolerate it now. Either way, right now it's really loving it. I don't know what it is, what that a lot of us were raised to try, and I don't know, whatever it is. There's so many things in it, and maybe, you know, some people want to say a lack and not having for a long time, but it makes you afraid to spend on certain things. But the thing that I would say to the older version of myself is like, girl, you had like 50 different things that you spent like $10, $15 on, you know, that you ended up not using. And if you go ahead and just buy the $30 version of something that does work. And the great thing about these companies, let me finish what I was saying, Tiffany. You're actually saving money because you don't have to buy a bunch of other things. Okay, so that's what I'm going to say to the older version of me. But what I was going to say, a lot of these other companies that do have like the more expensive stuff, they have sample versions that you can try, whether you can order on the website, different websites and stuff. They have smaller travel size versions that you can try to see if you really like it before you jump in. Sometimes with a lot of beauty products have samples, especially hair stuff. And so that's no different with a higher priced thing. Okay. But you want to say I get sent stuff? Yes, I do. I'm not lying about that at all. But I buy stuff too. And what do I do first? I get the sample of it. Like, I got this Briogeo sample, a sample version years ago. And then I was like, I ain't spending no money on that. That I end up purchasing this stuff anyway, and then more. I go to the website and I end up buying other things, because now I've done, they've convinced me of the quality of the products. And so I end up being a consumer as well. So don't think it's any different. And that's why I try to work with the companies now to try and provide coupon codes. That's what I'm doing on the back end, amongst the other million other things that I'm doing. So what you can do is, if I do mention a product that you are interested in because you may have similar hair texture than me or whatever it is, you just want to try it, one of the things you can do is order the trial or travel version of whatever it is that I'm saying. You don't have to jump in and buy the $30-something bottle right away. Order the travel one, and then you can use the coupon code if it's available, because sometimes they have terms and conditions and stuff. But try it that way. Use the link or whatever it is that it is, because even when you do use the link, I do want to say that when you do use the link, the company pays me a small portion of the commission of their part, not my part. So there's the supporting me. But regardless, buy the small one. Don't buy the big one if you're not like, you know, convinced you want to try it. Buy the small one. Okay. Now I gotta go. Okay. Somebody's calling me, and you know what the thing is? She's fine. They there with her, but